So if you're born between February 19th and March 22nd, you're considered a Pisces. So what are Pisces sexual desires? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over a few of them, and that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell while I hold up this spirit bomb in the air. All of you, share your energy with me! Pisces are very sensitive people. They want real connections, not no bullshit fakeness. They can be influenced so easily by their partner and will follow them for every desire that they can imagine or they want. They love to daydream and have good taste in arts. Now, sex is an art. They can taste it. Pisces desire to be very appreciative and very respected in their skills. It's something that's very personal to them. They could come up with some pretty damn good ideas, and watching those ideas become reality, damn, there's something sexy about that. They are emotionally intelligent and they are very protective of those emotions. Pisces have a tendency to be in sync with their partner, and that's because they're so creative in figuring out what their partner wants. They have the ability to adapt. However, when it comes to being in control, if given, Pisces sex levels are literally over 9,000. What, 9,000? Yes, I know. Over 9,000. It's crazy. Their sex can be very erotic and hypnotizing. It's like you're the one that's daydreaming. When it comes to the best sex for Pisces, we're talking about Cancers and Scorpios. So if you like this video, I made a full playlist of every horoscope sexual desire that you can check out. All you gotta do is just click one of the videos and give it a nice watch, because I'm just talking bullshit as people walk up and down. So if you like this video, I made a full playlist of every horoscope sexual desire. So if you want to find out more stuff about Cancers and what they like and what they desire, you can definitely do that. Watch, apply, and stay safe.